United States regulatory crackdowns on the cryptocurrency market has hindered many things, and volume is one of the largest. Guys, this means that cryptocurrency exchanges are seeing less volume because people are afraid of what this regulation is going to bring. Now think about this. If the regulation was inviting to innovation, if the regulation was inviting to growth, more and more people would be inspired by the fact that the government is cracking down, weeding out all of the bad actors, and people would feel more comfortable in the cryptocurrency space. When in actuality, the exact opposite is taking place. People are withdrawing their money. People are not trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. And of course, this means or indicates that they are afraid of the regulatory crackdown. We're going to go over some volume numbers because we saw a massive, withdrawal from centralized exchanges and a move over to decentralized exchanges in March. This was a huge spike in volume and could indicate that decentralized exchanges are going to be next on the chopping block for U.S. regulatory institutions. Let's discuss what's going on, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto-exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset and mitigate the risk of holding on a centralized exchange, you need to hold it on a cold storage or a DeFi wallet. Guys, let's go over, I'm going to go over 2 headlines and briefly brush through these articles here. But it indicates a massive outflow from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges, and even then, decentralized exchanges are seeing a huge decrease in volume since we saw just a couple of weeks ago. Now, this headline by CoinDesk says that crypto's decentralized exchanges had the most volume in 10 months amid a U.S. crackdown in March. Trading volume on decentralized exchanges rose to $133 billion in March, the 3rd straight monthly increase, according to DeFi Llama. So decentralized exchanges had a large jump in cryptocurrency trading volume in March as U.S. regulators went after centralized counterparts including Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. Volume on decentralized exchanges reached $133.1 billion, the 3rd consecutive monthly increase and the highest monthly total since May, according to the DeFi Llama data. Data comes as cryptocurrency industry faces a lot of regulatory crackdowns, with Kraken getting sued for their staking and Coinbase getting a Wells notice, and then Binance being sued by the CFTC. A lot of regulatory, hardships are ahead for centralized exchanges, and this is what is causing such a huge influx in volume in decentralized exchanges. But the good news is not in just yet. U.S. crypto trading volume is down 80% since March. We are already down 80% from March. That is a huge decrease and indicates that we may not see a 4th consecutive increase month over month. 80% decline because regulations are getting even tougher, and people could be beginning to think that DeFi is next. Centralized finance is nice. These are companies. These are something that should be regulated by, some sort of a regulatory body, whether it be the CFTC or the SEC here in the United States. Companies have to go through certain red tape in order to become incorporated. And of course, cryptocurrency companies would be no different. Now, of course, they do register with the SEC if they're like Coinbase and they're a publicly traded company. But the issue is the securities or the cryptos that are listed on each of these platforms. That is what the SEC is going after right now. That's what the CFTC is going after with Binance right now. And that is going to be the main concern for decentralized platforms as well. Now, you might be thinking, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange can't be touched by the US because it's not an owned entity. Well, you would be correct in that assumption. You would be logical in that assumption. But if there's anything that we've seen about the US in the last couple of years is that they don't care about logic. They don't care about efficiency. They don't care about effectiveness. They care about control. Mind control, body control, 100% wholehearted control of everything that you own and do. And that includes decentralized platforms. Guys, we've got a California judge right now. Judge California if you want. But a judge in California deciding that a decentralized authority, a DAO, one of these autonomous authorities, can be held liable. Meaning every single token holder can be held liable during legal liabilities, during court cases, during charges being brought up against the DAO. Each individual holder may be held liable, no different than a partnership. If you're incorporated as a partnership, you don't have, legal separation from the entity. It is insane what we are seeing in the cryptocurrency space here right now in the United States, and that is driving volume down drastically. Now, this article goes on to say, that Coinbase still maintains the highest U.S. trading volumes with close to 50% of the market share, but it's a far cry from where it once was. Crypto trading volume in the United States is down more than 80% in just 3 weeks. U.S. trading volumes peaked during to 4-month highs during mid-March as the banking crisis intensified and investors looked to move away from traditional finance, but traders have since pulled back. Banking concerns, these banking fears have settled down a little bit, and now we've got investors possibly moving back out of crypto and into, the centralized government, the banking system, the stock market, that which is regulated by the dictators, the United States, that controls them. On March 14th, U.S. exchanges recorded $3.2 billion in trading volume, and on April 2nd, by contrast, exchanges facilitated a mere $621 million in trading volume. And this article goes on to talk all about how when FTX collapsed, those trading volume numbers were near $1 trillion. So we are down, guys. We are down so obscenely drastic over the last year or so that it does beg the question, one, will centralized exchanges be able to maintain operations even if the regulators back off a little bit? Now, I don't know if the regulators intend to kill these centralized cryptocurrency exchanges through regulation, or if they just expect to make the road so hard that the centralized exchanges fold up shop and can't make a go of it because of the regulation that way. Either way, the regulators are going to win in destroying centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. The alternative and the only other option for people at that point will be decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. And I do not doubt that that is going to be next on the chopping block for U.S. regulatory bodies. And I think that they're going to be coming after DeFi, thinking that they own the world within the next couple of months to years. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, what are your thoughts on crypto DeFi exchanges, and will the U.S. be coming after them? Let us know, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.